So, quick announcement here, guys. There's kind of a gap in the footage right here. What had happened was we were hiking down to Buttermilk Falls, and we went there, but there were a lot of tourists there, which we didn't really expect. So we didn't really take any photos there, so we decided to head to this location, which we found quite a while ago at the beginning of this winter, and we haven't been able to get to it till now because we haven't had waders. But this time I hiked up the river and I got to take some photos. So that's what's going on right now. So as you guys just saw, I was in my waders and I kind of slipped. That was a close call, but nothing got damaged. Right now I'm just set up at the spot. I've been trying to get to it for a long time, but I needed waders, so here I am. And yeah, right now I'm just kind of taking a shot, looking up from those little rapids over there to that main waterfall in the background. It's a kind of leading line shot. We've got some okay lighting. We've still got a long time till sunset, but I'm trying to get some good audio here because these waterfalls are really loud. That last location that you saw was really nice. However, there were a lot of tourists there, and there were a lot of them I shot, so I just figured that it wasn't worth staying there and trying to wait so long for that. But plenty of stuff here. I'm thinking about going further up the river and seeing if I can find any other compositions there, but yeah, this trip is getting a lot better now. I'll see you guys up there. Hey guys, I'm taking another leading line river type photo right here. I've kind of hiked up the river. There were some compositions back there, but I don't really think that I have time to take them right now because right now I'm trying to get up to a spot that's up there that's really cool. So yeah, I'm going to take this quickly and then I'm going to go up there because this camera is running out of battery. So I've got one more location I'm thinking about. I've hiked back down the river, and right now I just took a photo. It's kind of another leading line type shot, and I got a thumbnail for the video as well, so that was nice. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do some more filming and then I'll go on to my next location.